Now your quality bag 115, your quality bag 117, 165, 15, 17 opportunity. Your father's house. You have to move fast. So that as you can really see this, just actually just so you have to be fast. Tell you that doing exercise. Rush. Lagos don't tell you what comes to Lagos. They tell you this is Lagos. If you don't shine your eye in Lagos, what you see, you have to shine your eyes when you're in Lagos. So you have to be like a sharp person. No dull moments in Lagos. You can see the way I'm moving. I'm moving fast. Now, even I see that in my house. I want to move around those points so that you can see like everything. Right? Now, I want to walk on this bus terminal where those big buses pass. They are passing through their lane. You see a lot of people, some of them they are homeless. You see them, they're sleeping. They don't have nowhere to go. What they do, they sleep. So Lagos is a home for everybody. Everybody's a Lagosian. Don't you allow this to pass before. Because it's not moving. They're good, so I have to give them a chance. So where I'm going to Arena. There's something. So let me climb in. So experience the life Lagos. Oshidi is one of the big places Lagos. Yeah, can I call it big market? Lagos. And it's always crowded. Like every day you come to Oshidi. You see people sleeping on the bridge. Every day you come to Oshidi, you see people. Like me now, this is what I did. I left home early in the morning so that I will be able to reach here on time. And I thank God that the traffic was not that much, so I was able to go here on time. Normally I would spend 6 hours coming here, or 5, 3, or 4. But I think in less than 1.5 hours I'm here. I want to cross and go to the railway where you see people selling on the railway. And now when you see somebody coming, the train, when the train is coming, everybody will just park, leave the way. Going to that railway, you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is just my simple experience and my lifestyle road trip. This is the railway when you see people selling on the way. It's usually not clean. They mess it up. So if the train is coming, everybody will have to reach this place. Now this is just in the morning time, so that is why this place is not crowded. But come here in the evening, you see everywhere crowded. You see people selling everywhere. And for now they are just coming. It's early morning and this morning. This is where I'm going. Nigerian Army shopping right now. So I'm going to the morning.
When you go closer to God, you will never remain the same. And I pray that God Almighty will give you all the strength
to get some stops. I hope you guys enjoy the journey with me. So if you enjoy the journey with me, please subscribe and then share and leave notification so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to see. So in this market you see people selling a lot of things. Buy cameras, buy shoes, buy clothes, You see people begging different. And you see that? So this is what you experience in this market. And they repair almost like everything in this market. So I'm sitting in a tour of this market. I see people talking. I see a lot of businesses. See cameras, cars, and so many things. So sometimes I would like, if you're watching my videos, if you are kind enough to subscribe and share and even comment, it helps a lot. So thank you guys for always supporting this wonderful channel. I'm still going to take you around the market so that you can see. This is Arena Market. Look at this fresh watermelon, very fresh. You see, very fresh mangoes. Sorry for the noise, because there's no light in the market, so you hear a lot of noise. It's a busy market. Everybody in this market is very, very busy. Busy people. But I think those shops open by like 10 o'clock. Let me just go inside and see what they have, because I'm looking for the camera. So that is why I came to this market to buy. So once I finish, I know maybe when I'm going back I will try to make a video. Wow. I'll try to make a video when I'm going to show you the more beautiful place in Lagos, especially Lagos Third Mainland Bridge. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm here now. Hello. How are you? Maybe it's not back from the video. It's not back. Any canoe camera around there, let's say 600,000. And 60 cannot be. How much is it? Let me see the 60D that you're talking about. Can it be color 60D? 600,000.